Ready to unlock the secrets to smarter crypto investing? Let's dive into Bloom Investing, the app designed to help you navigate the crypto world with confidence. First, let's take a look at the home screen. Here you'll find your portfolio overview, giving you a snapshot of your total holdings, performance, and asset allocation. At a glance, it's the perfect way to keep tabs on your progress. Next, explore the detailed market data. Bloom provides real-time pricing, charts, and key information on various cryptocurrencies, arming you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Simply tap on a coin for an in-depth analysis. One of Bloom's most powerful features is automated trading. Set your desired buy and sell conditions based on price movements or technical indicators, and let the app execute trades automatically, freeing up your time and optimizing your strategy. To set up automation, click on Automate and specify your triggers for buying and selling. Understanding your performance is crucial. Bloom offers advanced analytics tools that track your gains, losses, and overall portfolio health. Use these insights to refine your approach and improve your results over time. Analyze the graph to understand key trends for each coin. Security is paramount, so Bloom utilizes advanced encryption and security protocols to protect your assets. Plus, their dedicated customer support team is always available to assist you with any questions or concerns. To find support, click on the Help section of the main menu. So there you have it. Bloom Investing makes managing and automating your crypto investments easy. Download Bloom today and take control of your crypto journey.